At FirstRate, we are committed to using only the finest raw materials and components in our heat guns to ensure superior performance, durability, and safety. Our selection process includes sourcing premium-grade materials, plastics, and electronic components, which form the backbone of our heat gun products. The cutting-edge manufacturing facilities boast the latest in machinery and equipment, enabling us to produce heat guns that comply with both American and European Union regulations. The assembly process seamlessly combines state-of-the-art technology with our team's expertise, ensuring precision and efficiency at every step. Our highly trained workforce is dedicated to producing the finest heat guns on the market. Every team member undergoes rigorous training and continuously maintains the strict quality control measures throughout the production process. Their dedication to excellence is the driving force behind our success. Rigorous quality control measures and testing procedures are implemented for each heat gun before it leaves our factory. This ensures that every heat gun meets our exacting standards for performance, safety, and durability.